Hmm? What
One
is
query inside another query.
one
One
query?
query developed inside developed another query.
Yeah, we are using one query result as the input. Will get the output from output query. Okay, that we can say first input query is there, right? That we can say inner query. Okay, whatever result we are fetching actually that is called outer query. Okay. These guys actually my system is a little bit slow. If I am using my office laptop means it will be good. Actually, this personal laptop a little bit slow. Apart from that, anything about this one subqueries? We can make n number of subqueries also, right? Let's assume we can say we are having one student table. In student table, student ID, student name, and his address, and his school details, everything is there. Okay, one more table we can say marks. Okay, subjects, marks, those details is there. I need marks. Okay, how I will get for particular student. Okay, so that time what we can use, we have multiple options that I will tell. Today we'll discuss about one topic called subquery. Okay, what happened? An SQL developer also not opening. Give me 1 minute. I will open SQL. Then we'll start the discussion. Okay. So subquery syntax will be like this. Okay. We will select the specified columns. We will mention the table. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I'm not sharing this much, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. My screen is visible, right? Okay. Subquery means just now we have mentioned it. It's a nested query means there will be some inner query that result will pass to the where class. Based on that, it will filter the main query. Okay, that is called subquery. We can say that one. Definitions you can write in your own way. That doesn't matter. Okay, the actual usage is same. Use it to return the data. What is given? It is restricting the based on the subquery result. Main query data will fetch. Okay, it will use for insert, update, delete, anything we can use, and also operators also we can use anything. Okay, all the things it will work. Syntax will be from class will be there. Where class here we will fetch the we will mention the subquery in the where class. Okay, this is the syntax. Let me open Oracle. See, this is SQL developer. Can anybody tell me what is this one? What is this one? Okay, this is called object layer. It will save all the objects in the given database. Okay, here tables, views, indexes, everything it will show here. Even we are having, we can fetch the from dictionaries also. Whatever tables, views, packages, any database object, it will show here. Same way we can fetch the data from dictionaries like DBA underscore tables. Okay. See, here it will contain all the tables information. Okay, table name, table space. Actual table space we'll discuss later. Cluster, if it is having cluster, all the table information, anything it will be there in the table information. Okay, even we can use one more DBA objects. Okay, it will contain all the things. Okay, if you selecting DB underscore tables means it will contains only tables information. DB underscore views means only views information. DB underscore source packages means like that. All the objects will be there. These are called DBA tables means dictionaries we can say. Even for specified user who whatever he has rights, for that we are having one more called user user objects, user tables, user. Okay, means that specific user, whatever tables he has rights, whatever views he has rights, all the things it will show to in the user objects. It is actually it's a view. Okay, not the table, not the original table. Original table will be, original data dictionary will be dba underscore objects. Okay, here also same thing. User tables, user views, user indexes, like that tables will be there, dictionaries will be there. Okay, now we'll discuss about this one only, subqueries. Okay, let's create one table called student table. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the any create table? What are all the fields may be there in the student table? Hmm?
Student number, roll
Okay,
number,
student number. Okay, roll
name,
name. Okay, data type should be varchar 2, right? Varchar 2 of I can give 100.
birthday,
Okay, next can I mention
subject.
address? Yeah, address that will, we can say marks. Okay, it's a basic detail while joining.
Okay.
Okay, we can say this one address will be which type? It's a varchar type, right? Why? Okay. Next, can anybody tell me? Apart from that, this one, anything will be there. Okay. School details, right? Which also we can say varchar 2 of 100. Okay. Can I consider these are all student details? Table is created. Can anybody tell me how I can insert all the records in one type? Insert all we can use, right? Insert all into what I need to use here. I need to specify the column names, right? Yes, number,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Number,
name, address,
address,
school. Next values, right? Now you can tell me. Hmm? I will start from one. Next name will be some
one,
varchar to values. We should insert with the, we should place in the single quotes, right? We can say
yes,
Sada. Okay. Address will be I can give. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, and the school will be I can say simply I will give BRS. Okay. Same way we'll add a number of rows, right? I will give to Ganesh. Or we can say this one. Three, Balu, yes, we can do. Or, after that, what we need to use? Select star from dual, right? This we need to mention. Can anybody tell me what is the error? Where we have specified the table? They are not specified, right? Still, syntax error is there. Can anybody tell me what is that syntax error? Still, it is the here insert into table values.
Sir, last row के semicolon.
Okay, semicolon where is already there. We need to give commas. Okay, still it won't get executed. Why? Hmm? It is a second class. I told in second class, I guess. Right? Insert all into table. Into here we need to mention this one and values will be like this. Okay. Still getting error. Why? Have given commas, right? For rows inserted. Okay. I will make commit. Now, can anybody tell me? I will create one more table. Okay. I need two tables data, right? I am having the marks, subject, class, information, everything in another table. Okay. Create table marks I can give. Okay. Can anybody tell me column names? What will be there? Class class will be which class I can mention. Number I will give. Okay. Subjects you can say cat to write. Next marks only, right? MK will be which one I will give? Number of three marks, right? I will mark. I have created the table. Can anybody tell me how I can insert the data? Can anybody tell me that sample data? Insert into marks. Okay. Can I mention directly values? While doing practice itself, you can use different syntaxes here. Then only you can come to know the subject. Okay. Here, I should mention one more thing, right? If we are not specifying the student ID, how we can save the data? Okay. Can anybody tell me how I will add the column? Hmm? Alter I can use alter table. I need to add the column to table description. Okay. Alter table must add student ID, right? Correct, right? Then only I can get the, is it work or not? A table altered. Now go and check this one description. PSC marks. Okay. We'll fetch the table description. Now you are having S number also, right? Yeah. Now you can tell me dummy data. Class number I can mention. I can consider first class. Okay. Sada is first class. Okay. Simple. So taking one. This is I can say Oracle. Okay. And what is the next subject? I have given class, subject, and marks, right? Let we'll say 70 marks. And student ID will be 1, right? Is one row is inserted. Shit. I need to truncate the table. Means I need to delete all the table, all the data. How I will use it? Truncate table marks again, right? I have done some mistake, right? Table truncated. Okay. First one is okay. This is okay. Now I can give Java. Let's say 80. Okay. Next we'll you can consider Unix. Okay. Give 90. ID should be same, right? IDs and class won't get changed, right? Okay. Same way I will insert the records for one more student. Okay. Two is who? Two is Ganesh, right? Yeah. Subjects will be same. Now I will it may get changed. I can say this one. He is also he is from second class, and I can mention IDs will be two, and you can consider Oracle is okay. I will insert the Ganesh records also. Okay. Now go and check the marks table. Select star from marks. Okay. We are having 6 records. Select star from which one? Student number, right? Student table. Now I am having records in student table and marks table. Now I need the data for Ganesh. How I will get? Now, okay. I need marks. Okay. From from which table I should get the data? I can get the data. Which table marks is containing? I
Marks table.
marks table. Okay. So select star from marks. Okay. I need for Java. How many he got the marks in Java? Okay. How I will get that? First, I should filter the subject as Java, right? Okay. For filter, we should use where subject equal to Java. Okay. To whom that I need to specify, right? I don't know ID. Okay. If I know ID means directly I can add one more column where and ID S number equal to 2 means I will fetch the marks in Java. Okay, I don't know the S number. I only know only his name. How I will fetch? Okay, so that again I will add one more condition. And what is his name? What is the column name in the table? Student table. S name, right? And S name we don't know. Okay, but SID, there will be common column. SID is there here and here. Okay, first let it be this one marks. First I should get his ID. Then only I can able to get the marks. Correct, right? So first I should get the SID. How I can get? Can anybody tell me? Student number I need. Where where the field is there? For Ganesh. Okay, for Ganesh I need student number. Can anybody tell me that one? Simple, right? In that I need student number of Ganesh. Select S number from which table I can get student, right? Student to whom, where, whom.
Yes name equal to Ganesh.
Yeah, S name equal to simply Ganesh. I can mention. Okay. Now I can able to fetch the his number. Okay. If we know the S number, we can get the marks. Correct, right? So here now we should mention this one. Okay. And here you can mention S number equal to. Okay. S number equal to this we should mention in the bracket. Okay. Whatever we are having the result. Okay. This is we are fetching the student number, right? This student number I am passing to main table. Even we can do with this one. See, I am with this select statement, I am fetching the student number. Directly I can give 2 also. It will work. Okay. So now also I am getting the his marks in Java. But I cannot execute 2 times. I can execute only 1 time. Means I can add like this. Okay. Now I can able to get the Java marks for the Ganesh. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? See, in this case, yeah, tell me. Somebody is talking. Hello, Madhav? Madhav, if you are talking, please tell me.
No, no,
Otherwise,
no. There will be some disturbance.
okay, okay. Yeah, are you understood this one? First, I should get the student number from the student table. That student number will pass to the marks table as the input, so that I can able to get the Java marks for the Ganesh. Okay, this you are clear, right? Okay, now I will add one more thing. I need Unix marks for the Sada. Can anybody tell me that one condition? Statement. Same statement only. In that nothing is there. Just you need to change the column names. I need Unix marks for the Sada. How I can able to get? Simply by changing the names, right? Okay, now I will get the student number details. Okay, with this one, it will pass to the this table. and subject is Unix. Simple, right? Now I can able to get the subjects for subject in the subjects in the Unix is 90 marks for student aid. I don't want student number and his name, that and all doesn't matter. I know that name. Okay. Simply I can use in the where class. This you are clear or not? Or I should get from everybody because this is basic things. If you know these things, only you can able to understand the oracle. Hello, Sada,
Sir, clear, sir.
clear. Naren is not there. Huh? Okay. Now, can anybody tell me? I will ask one question. I am have I need for all the people. I need all I need for all the people in the school in Unix. Okay. In Unix, what are all the marks he got and their details I need. How I can get? I don't want details. Only I need marks in the Unix. His class and subject and marks I need.
Name.
Name. I don't know names. No, I need for all the people. Okay. Earlier we know the names, student names. Simply we change the student names. But now we don't know the your student names also. But still I need the student marks in the Oracle subject. Hmm? First, what we need?
We have to specify
Yeah,
subject column and marks column.
subjects column, marks column. Okay, I need simply I can say marks in the Oracle. Okay, marks in the Oracle. Even we don't know this one thing, these things also. Okay, how you will specify the subject? Simply you can mention this one. Okay, I need marks in which subject? Oracle. That you can mention. Now, what I need here marks table containing only this way class he is which class and subject and marks and his ID. Now I am asking I need all the students means what I can mention. Without where class I can use, right? If we are specifying specific name means we need to specify the name. Otherwise this is enough, right? I will I will get all the student information in this from this table. You are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
I need all the details. Yeah. Is it work?
Maybe.
Hmm? Is it work? Let me check. See, I am getting error. Single row subquery returns more than one row. Did you face this issue? Hmm? Can anybody tell me what is the use of equality function? It will compare two values only, right? S number. Here it should get. I should pass number since it is the S number is number in the table. So I should pass one number here. But we are fetching how many rows from the student table? We are fetching multiple rows, right? So there it will come 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that we'll get. Okay. So actually syntactically is not correct. It should compare only one value, but we are getting multiple. Then then what operator I should use in this case? Hmm? Can anybody tell me what is the use of
Count.
count? Count what it will return. See, now I have opened operators. Can anybody tell me that? Which operator I can use? Shravani,
We can use greater than or less than.
greater than or less than. Is it work? What is returning? Same, right? What less than or greater than will do? Again, it will compare only left side value and right side value. Okay, means it's a single values only will take the inputs for this operator. Okay, even it should not take any varchar things and all. It should take only number to do compare. Correct, right? It should get only one record, one value here. But we are getting multiple values. Okay, I'm getting four values. So which operator I should use? I have opened all the operator. Can anybody guess? By seeing this one, if you know simple English, that's enough. I guess. Can I use in operator? What in will do? It will take multiple inputs, right? Okay, means from this table, whatever values we are getting, that record will take. See, earlier how we used 1, 2, 3, 4 like this we are used in the in class. Simply we can select this one, right? Correct, right? Now we are not giving like that. We are giving in this hard coded value. See, if we are specifying the value in the where class means that is hard coded value. We are not specifying directly that input values are fetching from student table. Okay, I am having four student numbers. Let's see what will happen. See, data is getting two records. Why two records? I am having student is having four tables, four records, right? But still system is fetching only two rows. Why?
It's fetching only Oracle subject.
Yeah, Oracle subject only. But we are
It doesn't take it.
we don't we don't have we don't have records for the Balu and Nari, right? We are having only for these two members only. That's why it's fetching two records. That's it. Okay. You are clear or not? Hmm? Now I will ask one more question. Can I ask or not? Okay. Now I need marks for other subject, all the subjects. How I can fetch? For all the students, all the marks. How I can fetch? I should not mention subject, right? If we are not mentioning means we will get all the records, right? We should not specify the subject. So we'll get all the marks. Okay. Now again I will ask one more question. I need student wise total marks. Just think, I will give 2 minutes. One means who is one? Sada. I need total marks of Sada. Two. Ganesh. For Ganesh, total marks I need. How I can get? Yesterday class you understood, right? Can I do group by student number? Okay. If I make the student number as a group by, so I will get the total marks, right? Same query I will use. Instead of star, I should use, okay, I am making the group by student number y, group by S number. Okay. I should not get, for me not required all the details. For me required only, I need to specify whatever columns are there in the group by, same columns only I specify, right? Along with the aggregated function. What is that one? Marks. Marks means what is the column name? MK, right? Okay. So now I will get the, for student number 1, he got 240 marks. For student number 2, I got 220 marks. Here, hello.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. This you understood, right? How we can use the group by class along with the subquery. I need, I should get total marks student wise. Okay. First, what I have to do? Marks will be there in the marks table. So I should get the marks first. How I will get the student numbers? Even if we are not specifying this one also, still we can able to get that one. Okay. I have not mentioned this one, right? I need student number wise, wise. I need sum of the marks. Simply I can use this one. This will work. Correct, right? But with this one, what is the use? Okay, I will show you. I will add one more record here. Okay, 3 more records. Eight I can give. Sorry, second class only, right? See, I can mention his ID is 8. Now I am having for student number 8, but that 8 record is not there in the student table. Okay. Now I need whoever having the records in the student table, only for those students I need total marks. Okay. Simply I can use this. S number should be there in the student table. Okay, I can use this one. So I should get only 2 records because this 8 is not there in the student table. Okay, this you understood, right? Subquery. Hello. If you told okay, then only I will move. Otherwise, I will explain this once again. I assume you are not understood. I will explain one more time because it's a mandatory. You should know these things. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will ask one more question. I need I need maximum marks for each student in which subject area he got. I need each student in which subject he got the maximum marks. Hmm? Okay, I don't want marks subject also. I need maximum marks. Simply I can use maths, right? Okay. Student number one, he got 90 marks, but subject I don't know. But he got 90 marks maximum. Second ID student, he got 90 marks. Okay, but subject I don't know. If we want to give, that we should mention here. Okay, subject. So I will give one more subject. Okay. Why I am getting 6 records? Can anybody tell me? I am making group wrong, right? I am making each student, each subject, I am making the group. That's why I am getting all the records. Normally, we should not do like that. I should make only student number only, I should make the group. Okay. For subject name, I will tell you that will come in the join class. Okay. Now, everything I am using the where class only. Right? I am using where class only, right? Along with some group functions. Now, I need total marks for the student number 2. How I can get? Total marks for the Ganesh. Okay, student S number 2 means directly you can mention that S number equal to 2, that you will get. Now I need total marks for the Ganesh. I don't know S number. How I can get? Already we have done, right, total subjects, total marks here in previous statement. Here I am fetching for all the students. So simply I can mention this where S name equal to Ganesh. So now I can able to fetch, right, total marks. So I have mentioned maximum marks, that's why it is showing max. Now I need total, right? So sum I can use. I will get all the marks, sum of the all the subjects for the Ganesh. You understood or not? Guys, these things mandatory. What is there? It's simple, right? Now I need lowest marks for the Ganesh. Can anybody tell me? In which subject he got lowest marks?
Minimum marks. Minimum.
Where I can mention that one. Minimum value where I can mention.
Marks.
Where? Marks means here, right? Okay. Yeah. So that's fine. Ganesh, he got 90 marks in the minimum marks as a 60. I don't know subject. That we'll discuss later. But I got minimum marks. Now I will add one more insert statements for each the this one. Marks student. This is class, right? Actually, by seeing this one, this by seeing this table definition, actually this should be there in student name student table, right? So how I can drop that one? This column. This should not be there in marks because marks means for each class we will maintain separate table, right? So actually this should be there in my student table. So how I can drop the table from marks and how I can add the uh, column in student. Already we have done that one. Simply we can say drop table, right? Alter table drop. Which field? Drop column keyword I need to use. Which column? Class, right? What is the syntax? Actually, this is user is sys user. It don't have the doesn't have the rights. Okay. For this one, we should give the rights to other user. That user only can able to do that one. This already we know that one. Normally, in real world, sysadmin won't give sysadmin rights. Okay, let it be this one. Already we have done anyway. Doesn't matter. Today's class you understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we continue or we can stop this here itself?
Of
Ye-
this.
Okay, we can stop this. Please make practice this one. Okay, if you do practice, then only you can understand clearly. You can try with different cases. Simple, whatever I have told, same thing you can use. That's enough. Here you can add one more conditions. Okay, here you can reduce, you can increase. You can try to use the order by. If you can insert more number of records. I have inserted for only three tables, students, right? You can insert more number of students. Then you can add more number of subjects, so that you will come to know how we can use the where class, how we can use the group by class, how we can use the filters, how we can make the order by. Everything you can come to know. You can increase the data in students and marks table. That's it. You will get all the things. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Stop the class today. It's very important today's class. Okay.